Hello guys, this is Devi and I would like to welcome you to my channel. And this is another crypto video about a new smart contract that went live on the 2nd of July. It is called Troncore, and in this video I'm just going to go through the PDF and explain how it works and everything. So guys, I'm gonna be switching between the PDF and the site and also the Tron scan. So this is the main website. As you can see, it doubles your Tron, and there is that if you want to check the smart contract, you click here and it will open. I've already done that, it opens there. And also the PDF, there is a PDF for those of you who want to take a look at it. It will open like this. So, and all the other things we are going to discuss in this short presentation. So number one, what is Troncore? So it is a smart contract that is built on the Tron blockchain. It has got no ownership. Everything runs on the blockchain, and we are not worried of being scammed or whatsoever because the contract has been audited by two independent firms, that is the Group Solutions and Haze Crypto. So those of you who are in crypto world, you know about Haze Crypto and the Group Solutions. So this is the thing. These are the two. In fact, there are three ways which determine the daily percentage. There is basic interest rate, there is personal hold bonus, and there is contract total bonus. They are also shown here on the website. They are here. Basic interest rate, it is 1%. So as members, we get 1% every day. And there is also the personal hold bonus for every 24 hours without withdraw. If you hold your earnings in the website without withdrawing, you will be entitled to these bonuses. And you can earn up to 0.17% from the 21st day till forever. For the first 7 days, you'll be getting 0.1% on top of 1.1%, and then that's where we go to this contract total amount bonus. So they say that you will be entitled to 0.25% for every 1 million TRX on the platform balance until the contract daily income reaches 3%. So at the moment, we are getting 1.25 because as you can see, let me refresh this thing. When I joined this yesterday, this contract had only 780,000 Tron here. So it had not yet reached 1 million, and all members who joined at first were getting 1%. Members who are holding their earnings in the platform, we are getting this additional 0.1%. Now, since the contract balance is above 1 million, that's why we are getting this 0.25%. So I can show you that in my back office. You just have to go to personal stats here, and in fact now I'm getting all the three bonuses. So as you can see, the daily income is 1%. If you add on the contract bonus of 0.25 and 0.1% hold bonus, I have spent 24 hours without withdrawing. That's why I'm getting this. So if you add 1 and 0.25 and 0.1%, that's when you get 1.35%. And this has to be different for people. There are some people who withdraw every day, so they won't be getting this 0.1%. So this daily income has to be different for all members of the platform, depending on your choice of withdrawing or not withdrawing. That's it, guys. If we are to go to another, we are going to go to the contract bonus. Now the contract will give 0.25 for every 1 million on the platform until the daily income reaches 3%. Until the contract daily income reaches 3%. And it will give a 0.2% for every 1 million TRX on the platform until the contract daily income reaches 6%. Now, the contract was designed in such a way that the daily income increases as the TRX increases on the platform, which is a good thing. It will motivate members to grow the platform. Team builders will build and all that sort. So these are the bonuses that we enjoy as the platform is growing, and the maximum percentage for this bonus is set to be 12%. So it means that it can't pay out above 12% to the members. So that's it, guys. There are these limits. Let me show you the limits. They are overall daily contract limits. Now, a contract was also designed in such a way that it can't allow you deposit when the contract limit has reached. Now, in the first 5 days, it allows only 1 million per day in terms of deposit. So if you want to deposit and already the 1 million has been achieved, the contract won't allow you deposit, and you have to wait for the next day. They put the date, the time. I will show you guys. Then from the 6th to 10th, it will allow 2 million. From 11th to 15th, it will allow 4 million per day. From the 16th day to 20th day, it will allow 5 million per day. 21st day to 30th day, 10 million per day. And from the 31st day to lifetime, it is gonna be allowing 25 million Tron per day only. So there is the time. Let me show you this. This is the thing. The limits upgrade every 24 hours. At 0 hours and 12 hours server time UTC, you can convert this in your local time and see. So it is impossible to make a deposit if the total limit is filled out. That's what I've told you guys. So you have to wait for the limit upgrade. That is to enable you to make a deposit. So if you deposit more than the available limit, your deposit will be accepted, but the overpayment amount will be sent back automatically to your wallet. So that's it. Now this part is for the team builders, the affiliates, for people who are want to earn just a passive income without referring members. This is not for you, because the contract was designed in such a way that it can accommodate team builders and people who want to earn a passive income without referring any member. So for team builders, the affiliate program has got 3 ranks. There is the first rank, which is available for everyone. You get 3 on your level 1 and 1% on level 2 and also 1% on level 3 from the deposits they make, plus 3% from your first line partners accruals. That's in case they make a withdrawal, you will be rewarded that 3% from their withdrawals. So if you then there is the second rank. You achieve it once you reach a turnover of 5 million Tron in your network. So if your total network has got 5 million Tron, you will go to second rank, and you will also open up another level in the affiliate program. The third rank, you can achieve it if your turnover is 15 million Tron, and it will also open another level. You will be earning from 5 levels in the affiliate program. These are the steps. You just make a deposit. Now, in case you're a new member, when you open this the link, I'm gonna leave my link in the description of the video, guys. Feel free to join my team. I need you guys. So the page will open like this. In case you've put my link, it will open like this. And when it opens like this, you have only you have to go to make deposit. It will open this window, and you put in the amount here you want to deposit. Let us say 10,000 Tron. Or if you don't have 10,000, you can begin with 100 Tron. But remember, you must be having some Tron frozen in your wallet, like 50 Tron. Me normally I freeze 50 Tron, and also leave around 50 Tron to cater for the transaction fees. Then your sponsor will appear here. This is my sponsor, and then you click on invest. After clicking on invest, the word success will come here, and everything will be okay. So after that, you go to personal stats. and your deposit should appear here in the personal stats here. So your deposit will be down here. So far for me, I've made 3 deposits. I tested it with 100 Tron, and then I put 1000 Tron, and also today morning, before making this video, I put 1000 Tron. I wanted to make another deposit and show you guys. I don't think I have enough Tron here. I don't have Tron here. I've made that deposit, so I don't have enough Tron. So, but I've showed you guys how to do it. It is just simple to make a deposit. So let us proceed. What else? These are the audits. You can also see the audits on the website here. Let me show you the 2 independent audits. That is Haze Crypto and Group Solutions, and the PDFs are there to show the proof. You can click on them and see the audits. So they are here. There is also a video here that shows that the Group Solutions edited.
Hi everyone, Grok Solutions is still
As
alive.
you can see.
We're happy to
So I'm
announce
not
that
going
after
to
such
play
a long
this.
vacation, we
This
start
is a
our
2-minute
audit
video.
activity again. So if you are
Once you open the site, you can play it and see. Uh, so this is the contract address. If you click on it, it will open this. And if you look at this, let me refresh. People are doing some active work here. They are investing. So this is the progress, as you can see. Launched on the 2nd, and people started depositing. So if you had to look at the transactions, they are also checking, as you can see. People are depositing. People have trust in the program. So if you have trust in the program, you put money. Someone put 200,000 Tron. This person has got trust in the program. If you don't have 2,000 Tron, start with 100 and be upgrading slowly. Let me show you the independent audits. These are the audits by 2 firms, Group Solutions and Haze Crypto. What else? Instant withdrawals, strong team of professionals. That one can be illustrated from the design of the website. This is a dope website, guys. Marketing department, but they have not yet started marketing. So us independent marketers are the ones who are doing the work at the moment. It has got a profitable affiliate program, and there is also here a bounty. They are giving away some free Tron here. It is called the video bonus, from 50 Tron up to 10,000 Tron. You just have to fill this form. The minimum, you must be having 100 subs on YouTube. You make a 3-minute video. You show your deposit, and in the description, it should contain the words Troncore and your referral link. So after doing the video, then you fill this form. You submit to them. If you check out, they will pay you. So they are giving back to the community. And these are the customer relation telegram groups. There is the Chinese English manager, Spanish, Chinese, Vietnamese, and these are the social contacts. These ones I'm going to leave in the description of the video for you guys to check them out. So guys, this is Troncore. Feel free to check it out. Feel free to check it out and also make some deposit. So and remember to subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be producing more content about this program. I'll see you in the next video.